3, 2, 1. Ow. My face. And I lost my sword. Forsaken Fortress. Well, guys, I guess we're back with part 4 of sound effects? Alright, let's go get my sword. Your sword landed all the way up there. Shoot, I'm sorry. I apologize. I guess my aim was off by a little bit. The look in your face. Priceless. What the skadoodly do? I slipped this stone into your pocket. Hey, but listen carefully. I need this back after you save your sister, so don't go losing it. Understand? Alright then, down to brass tacks. The courtyard is awash with searchlights, so they'll see you right away. And if you just go charging in, better think it through or you're going to jail. Wow. She really does suck at dialogue. Okay, I guess we could take this. Watch this. I'm gonna get a rupee and not get captured.
Are you sure?
Oh, what the Oh, come on. I just wanted 20 rupees. Oh, what's over there? Okay. And... oh. Yeah! I was going to jail. Because what did I ever do to go to jail? I don't do drugs. I'm a kid. Oh. Alright. So now that we're out of the cell... ooh! Is that a chest? What's inside? Yay! You got the dungeon map. So see, we can see on the map, that's where we are, and we need to go somewhere else. Oh, wait a minute. I have to shut down that one. Okay, we can do that. So, it appears that it's not this one, it's the next one. Oh, you now want to hit me, do you? Come here, you stupid... Yeah! 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 Oh! Yeah! Moron. Okay. Oh, what's this? You got a joy pendant. Pretty cool, joy pendant there, but, I gotta start sneaking now. These guys are moblins. They're ugly and fat and annoying. So I gotta be extra careful so if I don't get snuck on. Ah! Okay, alright. Just easy as she goes. We're on our way to save our sister and find the One Piece. Just taking our sweet time getting across the wall. What's up here? What? My sword! Oh shoot! Not today, buddy! You got back the hero sword you dropped. Now you're in business. Should I say, business? Take care not to drop it again! Ha! Whoa! Impact frame! Spin attack! Oh, missed. Come on. Yeah! Yeah! One more time! Ariel, you in here? Oh, this place is creepy. Huh? Sis! Don't worry, I'm coming to get you. Wait, what the? What the? Ah! How dare you come back here? I won't let you take her. Let go of me! Yeah, let go of me, you stupid bird! No, I will take you to the master before anything else happens. You got some nerve. Do you know who I am? I'm Fuego, and I will find the One Piece! Who is that? What shall I do with him, boss? Okay.